No doctors or dietitians, these 10 life switches changed everything. In this insightful video, we will discuss 10 life switches that have the power to transform your well-being, without the need for doctors or dietitians. Discover simple yet effective changes you can make to improve your physical and mental health. By implementing these switches into your daily routine, you can witness remarkable changes and ultimately live a happier and healthier life. Life switches. Transform well-being. Physical and mental health. Simple changes. Happier and healthier life. Intro. Welcome to our channel, where we explore new ways to improve your overall well-being. In today's video, we are excited to reveal 10 life switches that can bring about significant positive changes in your life without the need for doctors or dietitians. Are you ready to transform your physical and mental health? Let's dive in. Switch 1. Reevaluating your diet. Your diet plays a vital role in your well-being. By reevaluating what you eat, you can kickstart your journey to a healthier lifestyle. Focus on consuming whole, nourishing foods loaded with essential nutrients, and reduce your intake of processed and sugary items. Small dietary changes can lead to remarkable improvements in your energy levels and overall health. Switch 2. Prioritizing sleep. Adequate sleep is often overlooked but is crucial for both your physical and mental health. Prioritizing quality sleep allows your body to heal and rejuvenate. Establish a consistent bedtime routine, create a sleep-friendly environment, and ensure you get the recommended hours of sleep for your age group. With proper sleep, you can wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day ahead. Switch 3. Incorporating exercise. Regular exercise is not only essential for maintaining a healthy weight but also for keeping your mind sharp and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Find physical activities you enjoy and incorporate them into your routine. Whether it's brisk walking, yoga, or dancing, make movement a priority in your life. Start small and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Switch 4. Managing stress. Stress can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Develop healthy coping mechanisms to effectively manage stress, such as practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. By reducing stress levels, you can experience improved mental clarity, enhanced mood, and better physical health. Switch 5. Building strong relationships. Strong and positive relationships are vital for your well-being. Connect with supportive friends and family members, engage in meaningful conversations, and cultivate healthy relationships. Surrounding yourself with a strong support system can provide emotional stability, reduce feelings of loneliness, and contribute to a happier life overall. Switch 6. Limiting screen time. In today's digital age, excessive screen time can have detrimental effects on your well-being. Limit the amount of time spent on electronic devices and social media platforms. Instead, use that time to engage in activities that promote personal growth, social interactions, or self-care. Find a healthy balance between being connected online and enjoying the real world. Switch 7. Practicing gratitude. Cultivating gratitude can bring about positive changes in your life. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for the things you have, appreciate the beauty in nature, or acknowledge the acts of kindness shown by others. Practicing gratitude helps shift your focus towards positivity and allows you to experience more joy and fulfillment in life. Switch 8. Hydrating your body. Proper hydration is essential for optimal bodily functions. Make a conscious effort to drink enough water throughout the day. Along with water, include hydrating foods, such as fruits and vegetables, in your diet. Staying hydrated can improve your energy levels, support healthy digestion, and contribute to glowing skin. Switch 9. Embracing self-care. Self-care is not selfish, it's necessary for your well-being. Make time for activities that allow you to recharge and pamper yourself. Whether it's taking a warm bath, reading a book, or engaging in a hobby, prioritize self-care to reduce stress and improve your overall mental and physical health. Switch 10. Having a positive mindset. Your mindset has the power to shape your reality. Cultivate a positive attitude by practicing self-compassion, challenging negative thoughts, and surrounding yourself with people who uplift you. By adopting a positive mindset, you can overcome obstacles, attract success, and live a fulfilling life. Outro. And there you have it, 10 life switches that can transform your well-being without the need for doctors or dietitians. We hope you found this video insightful and feel inspired to implement these switches into your life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on improving your overall well-being. Please do subscribe.